Hi, I'm Julia. Twitter doesn't let you download videos directly as MP4. But don't worry, there's a free and super easy way to do it. Here's how. First, copy the link of the tweet that contains the video you want to download. Then go to the Circleboom Twitter video downloader. It's a free tool, no ads, no membership. Now paste that tweet link into the bar and hit the download button. As soon as you do, Circleboom will automatically convert your video into a downloadable MP4. You'll see an option appear just under the search bar. Click it. Your video will now open in a new window. In the right corner, you will see there are 3 dots. Click on them. Then just hit download, and that's it. The Twitter video is now saved to your device in seconds. Whether you want to repurpose content or just save a video for later, Circleboom makes it fast, easy, and totally free. See you in the next one.